English speaking practice. Let's start. आपण कौन नेले इंग्लिश से कहबा What did you take? What did you take? आपण सुनुचंदी कि Have you heard? Have you heard? सबुआड़े खोजो Search everywhere. Search everywhere. एया को धरी रख Hold it down. Hold it down. तुम्हें किछि कुह You say something. You say something. मु तुमको संदेह करुछि I doubt you. I doubt you. मु पाखापाखि अछि I am around you. I am around you. केबे नुहे No way. No way. तुमर कौन अछि What do you have? What do you have? तुम्हें मते भल पाओनी You don't love me. You don't love me. आमे करि परिबा We can do it. We can do it. छाड़ से कथा Let it go. Let it go. मु तुमको परे कहबी I will tell you later. I will tell you later. मु तुमको पचारुछि I am asking you. I am asking you. मो कथा सुनो Listen to me. Listen to me. यह बहुत स्वादिष्ट It's very delicious. It's very delicious. मु तुम सहित सहमत नुह I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. इंग्राजी रे कुह Speak in English. Speak in English. तुम्हें सोइब कि Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? आमे बहुत मजा कलु We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. सही परी भाव नहीं Don't think so. Don't think so. तुम बिना मोर केही नहीं I have no one without you. I have no one without you. किछि फरक पड़ेनी It does not matter. It does not matter. तुमको लाज नहीं You don't have shame. You don't have shame. मते घरे छाड़ी दियो Drop me at home. Drop me at home. मोर केही नहीं I have no one. I have no one. मोर चिंता कर नहीं Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. तो फ्रेंड्स जदि वीडियो आपको भल लगे तो निश्चय गोटे लाइक कर दिंतु आ प्रतिदिन यहीपरिका वीडियो पाइबा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दिंतु। रोजी धन्यवाद।